Hi all! Today is spring day and it's time to go for a walk. It's -13 outside. There are two types of squirrels you can find in Winnipeg: the eastern gray squirrels and the red squirrels. The gray squirrel is much larger than the red. When I see gray squirrel and it is so far away from me, I always think it's a rabbit. They are so big. Squirrels are always looking for food. They don't sleep in the winter. People feed them. Even if they are not hungry, they won't miss the opportunity to find some food and hide it. They bury food in the ground or snow. Even though squirrels are used to people and get some food from them, they are still cautious. They definitely like people and treats from them. Squirrels also make a strange sound. It can mean a warning of danger, scare away other animals, or attract partners. Oh, that's why they scream often near me. Be kind to animals. They need this. See you soon. Bye all.